All right, I was having the common issue with the float sticking and making my fuel level appear full when it was not, which is not good when you're really going on long adventure rides, or really any ride. So watched a couple of videos online, thank you YouTube, Two Wheel Guys and a few others. And what I did is I took out this float right here. It was getting stuck here, and I basically just sanded it down. I just went back and forth, back and forth. This is it's like 120, and then I polished it off with some, what was this, around 320-ish. And so the way to test this out is you basically put this back down in here, and if you no resistance at all, not getting stuck. But the real, I think a good test is just keeping it at the bottom and just kind of jiggling up and down. And that just has no problem, no resistance at all. So I think I'm done. What I noticed is that when I took it out the very first time, and it's probably part of the manufacturing, there's like a little knob there that was sticking out. And so that got sanded down along with the rest of it. So hopefully this is a fix that'll be permanent. And I read one post where some folks said that when you sand it, you take off like a some sort of sealant, where eventually this just gets consumed with gas and it never really even floats anymore. So hopefully that won't happen, but we'll see. But for now, I need an accurate fuel gauge reading, so hopefully this will help. That's all for now.